Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Abode for video doorbell pairing step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Abode system is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Download and install the Abode app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Abode app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Abode account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section in the app. Tap on the option to add a new device. Select the Video Doorbell option from the list of compatible devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to prepare your video doorbell for pairing. Make sure your video doorbell is powered on and in pairing mode. You may need to press a specific button on the device to initiate this mode. Once your doorbell is in pairing mode, the app will search for nearby devices. When your video doorbell appears in the list, select it. Confirm the pairing by following any additional instructions provided. You may be asked to enter your Wi-Fi credentials if not already connected. Wait for the app to complete the pairing process. Once paired, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. Take a moment to name your video doorbell for easier identification. Adjust any settings as needed, such as video quality and notification preferences. Test the video doorbell by pressing the button and checking the app for alerts. Ensure that you can view the live feed from the doorbell camera in the app. Your video doorbell is now successfully registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.